So today I'm practicing my new butterfly knife. Practice a lot. As you can see, I can go light speed. I only know how to do this because I'm more comfortable with it. So yeah. I'm doing this. If you have anything to help me teach, just list it down in the comments. So this time back. Yeah, so the reason I don't use only put on this stupid habit. Actually, I only know how to use this. Because I know how to use light. It probably cuts my hand and using a real one. So yeah. So this is basically it. I just started practicing because I just got this from a machine me and my brother got. So I can go light speed. If you have any new trick for me, list it down in the comments. So let me show you one of my cool tricks. So I know how to do this hard flip. Open and close. My brother taught me, but I don't know how to do it. So yeah, the butterfly knife, I will actually hurt myself. I'm gonna try learning my new skill. So first you cover this one. Just go. So yeah. So do you have any ideas I can do the butterfly knife? Because the only trick I learned like this one. Spin it up. Let's close this, okay? Spin it up. Try not that too. Just whip out the butterfly knife. Whip out the butterfly knife, so I'm gonna stop practicing from this trick on. Basically. Right now I'm at the basic level called close. Open it. Say, okay, so like, get away from me before I stab you. Review butterfly knife, good for you, but I'm just a beginner right now. I also can close light speed, bro. So, this is how I close it. This is how I open it. What? I'm gonna open it. This is how I close it. I can still do. Yeah, I can go light speed. Other thing. Go like oh yeah. You can just I know you. So let me comment any ideas I should do. on my waist hunting the whole day, bro. So yeah. Good.